Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you that how can you create a mask in a text with an image. So uh, for this video we need some images, so let's go to Google and download some images. I open Google and downloading image. I am downloading grunge texture vector. Okay. This one, download, save it, GRUNG, save image. Okay, and instead of this I'll select this. Okay, save image. I'm saving more images. I think this one. Okay, so we'll make mask of all these images to our text. Okay, we'll make mask on this text. Okay, place your image here which you want to mask, create mask. Select both, and from here you can make a mask. Okay, or by right clicking, here is the option of make clipping mask. Send it to back. I'll make it. Now we'll zoom it and see our results. It's looking good. Yeah, it's looking good. We'll place our another image. We'll take a text, right here, Illustrator, tips. Drag it to the image and select both, and make clipping mask. Oh wow, it's also looking good. Yes, it's looking good. Now we'll take a grunge texture. Illustrator tips. Place it here. Place it here. Select both. Wait, I'll take a copy of the text instead of writing it again and again. Select both and make clipping mask. It's not looking good. The text is hidden. We'll try it with a small size. Okay, select both and make clipping mask. It's not looking good because of the texture of grunge. We'll try another one. With this one, I actually like this image. Drag this text here, select both and make, oops, we have to arrange it. Send to back. Now we'll select both and make clipping mask. It's a little bit good, but these images are more better than this. Yes, these images are more better than this. If you want to release the mask, you will select the text, and from here you can release the mask. Okay, Control Z. So in this video, I just taught you that how can you make a clipping mask without with an image in a text. So if you like the video, like and subscribe the channel and share video with others and support me. Thank you.